Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode the secrets hidden within the labyrinth of corporate filing, sometimes revealing transactions that are so big they move mountains, and other times, well, let us just say things that might make you raise an eyebrow or two. Today we are diving into a report from Medalist Diversified REIT, Incorporated, a company that seems to be quietly shuffling its real estate assets. Before we jump in, if you are tired of corporate jargon and want straightforward insights from these SEC filings, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. And hey, if you love digging into these documents and discussing strategies, join our Discord community. The link is in the description below. So what is the big news from Medalist Diversified REIT Inc? Well, it looks like they are selling off some of their properties. This is a pretty standard move for a real estate investment trust, or REIT. They buy and sell properties to manage their portfolio and hopefully make a profit. The main event here is the company entering into agreements to sell two distinct sets of properties. Think of it as tidying up their real estate closet. They are selling off a property known as the Greenbrier Business Center in Chesapeake, Virginia for a cool $11 million. This deal is pretty straightforward with a deposit of $100,000 and a target closing within 60 days. Then they have another deal involving two properties, one in Bowling Green, Kentucky, and another in Huntsville, Alabama. These are single tenant buildings described as a Buffalo Wild Wings and a United Rentals property. This package deal is priced at $5.35 million with a $100,000 earnest money deposit and an expected closing within 45 days. Now, it is important to remember these are purchase and sale agreements, so they are not guaranteed to close. There are always conditions to be met and things can fall through. It is part of the game in real estate deals. Medalist Diversified REIT trades on the NASDAQ capital market under the ticker MDR. This tells us they are a publicly traded company, so these disclosures are important for investors keeping tabs on their business. The report is signed off by C. Brent Wynn Jr., the Chief Financial Officer. This is always a good sign that the company is being transparent about its dealings. Looking at these sales, what does it mean for Medalist Diversified REIT? Well, selling properties can be a sign of a few things. It could mean they are cashing in on appreciation and want to redeploy capital into newer, higher yielding assets. Or it could be a signal that they are divesting underperforming assets to improve their overall portfolio performance. Without deeper financial data in this specific report, it is hard to say for sure if this is a strategic move to strengthen their core holdings or a sign of distress. These agreements themselves are filed as exhibits, so the nitty-gritty details are available for those who want to pore over every clause. But for us here on Corporate Decoder, we care about the bigger picture. As with most of these reports, there is a section on forward-looking statements. This is basically a legal disclaimer telling investors not to take their future predictions as gospel. They use words like believe, expect, and anticipate. This is normal business speak for here are our hopes, but we are not promising anything. They warn that actual results could differ due to various factors, including adverse changes in pricing disruptions with management internalizations and the cost and availability of capital. So what is our take on Medalist Diversified REIT Inc.'s latest filing on the surface? These appear to be routine property sales. The company is actively managing its real estate portfolio, which is exactly what a REIT is supposed to do. The total value of these sales is around $16.35 million, which is a significant amount for a company of this size. The key question for investors isn't just that they are selling, but what they intend to do with the proceeds. Are they reinvesting in growth opportunities? Are they paying down debt? Are they returning capital to shareholders through these sales? They are making a tangible move to reshape their assets. The risk mentioned about capital availability is also worth noting, as higher interest rates can make financing new acquisitions more expensive. Alright, that is our breakdown of Medalist Diversified REIT Inc.'s latest filing. What is your take on these property sales and what they signal for the company's future? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.